New tonight, Union County parents, teachers, and students looking ahead to even more COVID protocol discussions in the coming days. The school board called an emergency meeting for Monday to talk over the state's disapproval in its COVID decisions. But in the meantime, school life goes on with high school football taking to the field. Brianna Harper was there to see how families are feeling about the safety showdown.
Two high school football teams, both with purple school colors, but each part of separate school districts with two very different COVID-19 protocols.
Get your mind right.
Taking to the field for Friday night lights between Porter Ridge and Ardrey Kell high schools. But while the two teams battle it out on the football field, school leaders at CMS and Union County are figuring out how to best battle the spread of COVID-19 within schools. At CMS, that means mandatory masks for all students and staff, along with following other guidelines set in the Strong Schools NC Toolkit.
A mask is one of the big things that we practice. Both of our children are vaccinated.
But in Union County schools, masks are only an option. A recent decision by the board also states contact tracing by school staff is no longer required, and quarantine is only needed for positive cases or those with symptoms. It's been a week since those COVID changes were made, and the district's COVID dashboard reflects a drastic difference, with less than 2,000 students and staff now in quarantine. For football fans, that's good news.
They've actually had to cancel 2 games, so they have not even played the last 2 games because of COVID. So we're excited that we're back.
But the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services has some concern, sending this letter urging the district to reverse their decision or legal action could follow. Some parents are now hopeful for the sake of safety, a change is soon made.
I would at least want all schools in all areas just to follow the appropriate protocols that have been established by the state.
And keep in mind, the Union County Board of Education has called an emergency meeting starting at 7 a.m. Monday morning to discuss a COVID-19 update in response to the state's letter. Reporting in Union County, Brianna Harper, WCNC, Charlotte.